thank you all for joining us to celebrate another exciting milestone at MIA, and especially our Future Ready program. This is another great step in our Future Ready capital and modernization program, so we're super excited to have everybody here.
I am so thrilled that we could have you all here today to join us for the unveiling of this latest milestone, the first section of our new Central Terminal check-in area. Just 8 months ago, this space was behind a construction wall, and the first phase is now open with new flooring, a modern ceiling, and the latest in self-service bag drop technology. So 2.2 million passengers who fly Spirit, our third largest carrier, are the first to benefit from this new area, and we're on track to complete the next phase by next spring. We're not stopping here. Earlier this week, the Board of County Commissioners approved the design contract for the complete redevelopment of the Central Terminal by 2031. And we are planning to ensure that MIA is not just ready for today, but for the future.
This is another step in the progress of making our airport, this extraordinary place, reflective of what we know we're creating. The #1 place in this hemisphere, the top urbanized area in this hemisphere. That's what Miami-Dade County is going to be in our airport. And the work that you all are doing is a big part of that.
What you're seeing here is us investing in the future, whether it's these new counters, which are absolutely beautiful, the 447 bathrooms, the over 388 escalators, elevators and moving walkways, or the new parking garage. We are moving our airport forward, and we're making sure that you have the best experience when you come to Miami International Airport, coming in and coming out.
It's always an honor for us to partner with MIA on multiple initiatives. We've been the home airline for quite some time now. We've been in South Florida for almost 25 years. Most importantly for us is that we've got so many of our Spirit family that consider Miami-Dade County home. And so for us to be able to continue to see the massive investments that are being made to continue to improve the overall travel experience, the overall life experience that people have by living in Miami, is something that we are really proud to be part of.
We are creating here 60 direct and indirect jobs. So can you just imagine what we are creating in the economic impact is much more than the airport. It impacts a lot of lives.